Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Farrah, and today I'm going to show you my makeup collection. So makeup is something that I am interested in. I'll also link everything in the description box. So if you guys would like any of these products, you know, they're down in the description. So my first item, I have my Huda Beauty foundation. This foundation I love. It hides any blemishes that you have. This foundation is really good. However, it's very thick, and if you're not into full coverage foundation, this one probably isn't for you. I use the shade Gingerbread. I have my oh, this is so ghetto. This is my contour palette thing, even though tops come off. It's from Revolution. I also have my Huda Beauty setting powder. I feel like these two, they really go together as like a good match. It is very expensive, but it's a very good investment. I always buy her products. Even when I run out of foundation, I always buy the same one. I have my Morphe lipstick. This is the shade I'm wearing now, nude really, and this is what it looks like. Very pretty colour. And I also have the Morphe gloss, and this is also in a nude kind of colour as well, which is really nice because if I want my lips glossy, because this is like a matte finish, this lipstick, if I want a glossy look, I can just pop this on top and it gives you that effect. I just have like a cheap mascara. I don't really ever tend to wear mascara that much. I kind of now go towards wearing fake lashes, like strip lashes. The only time when I wear it is when I'm putting lashes on. I'll put a little bit on the bottom lash. Yeah, I normally wear a lot of falsies. I know it's bad for your eye. I just think they look more perfect. They just really make a difference compared to mascara. Falsies really complete a look. I have my P. Louise base. This, I haven't really used it much. I normally use this when I'm doing like cut creases, and it's in the shade 2, by the way. For people that really like experimenting with eyeshadow, definitely get yourself the P. Louise base. So I have 3 different types of concealers depending on what type of makeup look I'm going for. If I'm going for something very full coverage and I know that I want it to stay on all day, I will go with the Huda Beauty concealer. If I'm going for something that's just like a light everyday makeup, I will use the Revolution's concealer. And if I'm just going for something where I want it to be really, really light, I just literally want to look like I'm wearing no makeup at all and I just want my eyes to look a bit brighter, I will use the Morphe concealer. Each one of these have a different consistency, which I love. The Huda Beauty one is a lot thicker, and like I say, it's full coverage. I'd say the Revolution is medium to full coverage, and the Morphe one is literally, it's so light, and yeah, it's really easy to blend with. As a base, I'm so sorry, I just realised I haven't actually been doing this in order. As a base, I always use this one primer. This is the Revolution's Conceal and Fix Mattifying Primer. I love it so much. Oh my god. It gives you kind of like a velvety matte finish. It's so nice, and I feel like it really pairs well with the Huda Beauty. Yeah, I don't really go for like a dewy effect. I just like an all matte face. This matte Prep and Prime spray. This I spray on after the whole look. I love this. The only thing is, when I first bought it, I spent quite a bit of money on this, and when I first got it, I didn't like it at all. It's been a product that's kind of grown on me to like it, but when I first got it, I absolutely hated it, I'm not gonna lie, until I realised that you have to shake it. So you have to shake it because obviously it's like a milky kind of consistency, and obviously it's white. So I didn't realise you had to shake it. So when I went to just spray it on my face, literally it kind of came out, and then I had loads of white dots all over my face. So yes, you have to shake it. It makes your base, like the whole of your face, matte. This is perfect for people with oily skin. So normally what I do is I will do, you know, my concealer, my foundation, and then I will put this on, and then after I will do my highlighter, so it doesn't make my highlighter matte, because that is one thing. This thing is strong. literally you can spray over your highlighter and it will make it look really chalky. That is one thing that I found out as well. So don't do that. Then I have tons and tons of lipsticks. Oh my gosh, tons. I love them. I have my Huda Beauty lipsticks, which are all nudes, and then I have two which I never ever wear, but I just keep them anyways. I have my two red lipsticks from Primark. Although they're from Primark, they are so nice, and they are like a deep red, which I feel like really looks nice with my skin tone. So yeah, I just kind of keep them anyways because I feel like a classic red lip always looks very classy on a woman. And yeah, oh, I love my lipsticks. So now getting into the exciting things, which I love. Oh my god, I love this. I love my palette. So I have this. Oh my god, I love it. I love it so much. So I have this Jeffery Star palette, and it is the Bloodlust palette. This palette is so iconic. Look at that. It's all velvet. So this is what it looks like. And this is how it comes. Excuse this. Oh my god, I had a bit of an accident with some eyelash glue because I'm really bad for not putting lids back on things, especially my makeup. Like when you're in a rush and you're trying to glue on your eyelash and it doesn't want to stick. I bet all of you have been through this, and you're squeezing it and then next minute the eyelash glue just comes out at once. Yeah, makes a mess everywhere, and that's how this happens. But yeah, this is how it comes. It's a lot of purples, a lot of blues, and then some kind of nude colours. What Jeffery Star is giving you is actually life. Like, that is life in a palette. My next palette that I have is the James Charles Morphe palette. This is what it looks like, and oh, I can't open it. This is how it comes. It's such a massive palette. I use this a lot when I was just experimenting with colours, and I feel like this was a perfect palette for me to get how many looks you can get out of this palette. Unlike the Jeffery Star Blood palette, it's literally just purples and a few nude shades, so you can only really get out a few looks in that one. This palette, you can do anything. Also, I'm not going to get them out, but I do have all the Morphe eyeshadow brushes, and I also have a lot of the Real Techniques brushes as well in my collection. Apart from that, that's everything, I think. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, help me get to 200 subscribers, please. Oh my gosh. Yeah, follow me on all my social medias. I'll put them all in the description, along with all of these products. So if you'd like to purchase it, if you'd like to purchase yourself any of them, then yeah, look there. And yeah, have a lovely day, guys. Thank you for watching.